the concept of Sira? And mainly, in Acharya Susruta is explained at the concept of Sira, while detailed description of the Sira Sharira is telling the Sira Dhamini Srodams. There are three concepts. Sira, one is another one is Dhamini, and another one is Srodas. These three are in most of the other acharyas telling that Sira, Dhamini, Srodas are some similes. There is a similarities between two. But Susruta is telling that these are the not similar structures. These are entirely different structures. That's why in Acharya is explained like na Sharire Susruta Srashta. Susruta is more concentrating in the Sharira concept and surgical concept. So Sharira Sthana Susruta is written in the for the better application in the Sharira, and we can do the better surgeries. So that's why Sharire Susruta Srashaka as per the Acharya Susruta. So Acharya Susruta is explaining very clearly like that. There is Sira, Dhamini, Srodas are not the single structure. These are entirely different structures. In that he is explaining why it is different. And he is explaining the same time why some Acharya is telling these are the similar structures. Okay, we can see in this loga Sira Dhamini Srodamsam Abhivagaha Vibhaka Sira Vikara Evaki Dhaminyaha Srodamsi Chedi. So I will explain the next slide. There you go. This is Acharya is explained in the Dhamini Vyakarna chapter. Okay, Dhamini Vyakarna chapter. So we need to go through the number of Susru Samhita Sharirasthana chapters.
Slide.
Sorry, what? आवाज कम आ रहा है?
Slide change नहीं हो रहा.
Slide is not moving?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So देखो Susruta Samhita clear mention in the Dhamini Vyakarna Sharira. So how many chapters are in Susruta Samhita Sharirasthana? How many chapters? 10 chapters. So just to go through library after the class and go through write in the names of the Susruta Samhita Sharirasthana chapters. Same time you go through same Charaka Sharirasthana, how many chapters? Ashtangridya Sharirasthana, how many chapters? Okay? So that means you need to identify the Sharirasthana chapters in various acharyas, according to various acharyas. So in Susruta Samhita Sharirasthana Dhamini Vyakarna, acharyas explain like a Vyanjanatva. That means Vyanjanatva means Lakshanatva. So below I am writing is the Vyanjananyatva, Lakshananyatva. So Lakshana is the Vyanjana is a Lakshana. Lakshana means difference in character. According to difference in character, he is telling that Sira, Dhamini, Srodas are not the same structure. It is a different entity. And Mula Sanitya. Okay, that means in the Sroda Sharira, when you explain that Mulasthanas. So Mulasthana means Mulamiti Prabhavasthana, Udbhavasthana. That is the originating point of the structures. So according to the Mulasthana, Sira, Dhaminis are having different originating points. So that is why Acharya is telling these are not the similar entities. In the Srodas also in different types of Srodas, and the Sroda Mulas are elaborately explained by the Acharyas. That means according to Acharya, Mulasana is different for the structure. That is why these structures are not similar. And another one is he is telling the karma vaisheshya. That means difference in action. Vishishta karmatva. According to the karmatva, its action is different between these structures. And agamacha. That means agamacha means agamo atra ayurvedaha. That means according to the textual reference, we can say that these are the different entities. So what I am telling, as per the Susruta Acharya, when he displayed the Damini Vyagana chapter, is explaining that Sira, Srodas and Daminis are some similar structures according to different acharyas, but I am here telling that these are not similar structures, these are different entities. Why I am telling these are different entities? Because of these characters. In that characters, we can tell that one is Vyanjanatva, another one is Mula Sanithya, another one is Karma Vaisheshya, another one is Agamacha. That means according to the difference in character, difference in action, difference in origin, and difference in the textual reference, we can say that these are the different entities. According to the some Acharya is telling that this is due to similarities. This slide is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to similarity, already Acharya told now, some Acharya is telling that it is same structure. So what is that similar structures? There is a paraspara sannigasha. Paraspara sannigasha means close proximity, near to. Characters is near. So that is why paraspara sannigasha. And sadrisha, similarity in the textual reference, some area we can tell that these are some similar structures. We can see some area similar structures. That's why Dasha Mula Sira. Okay. In that we can tell the Sira Dhamanis are sometimes different, like feeling. So in that area we can in textual similarities. Then Sadrisha Karmatva. So similar actions. Some area the action will be similar. And the Saushmata. Sushmata means minuteness. According to these are the points Acharya, some Acharya is telling that Sira, Dhamini and Srodas are the similar structures. Okay. So I started in the Acharya's concept like Sira, Srodas, Dhamini are similar or not similar. Okay, as for Sutra, these are the different structures. What is the nirukti of this one? Sarana Sira. Important, write this point. Sarana Sira. So what is Sarana Sira? Sarana Sira means flowing structure. Flowing. Sarana, flowing. Okay. Manadhamaneha. This logo is important. Sarana Sira. Manadhamaneha. Saravanat Srodamsi. Chapter number is Ardho Desha Mahamulya. Ardho Desha Mahamulya means it is explained the Mahamulya means related to heart. So Ardha Desha Mahamulya is a chapter in the Charasamhita Sutrasana. That is the last chapter of Charasamhita Sutrasana. That is explained related to the heart. So in that area, there is telling that related to heart. Mana Dhamaneha. Mana means something pulsating. That is Dhamaneha. Sravana. Srodamsi. Sravana. And Saranat Sira. So that's why three different structures, three different actions explained by the Acharya Charaka in Sutrasthana, last chapter, name it as Ardhodesha Mahamulya. And in the Chakramani, in that commentary of this one, he is explaining Sarana Deshandara Gamanat. Saranat means Deshandara Gamanat. That means from one point of view, it is moving to another. Got my point? It is Sarana Deshandara Gamanatva. Sarana Avayanandara Gamanat. So Sarana Avayanandara Gamanat. It's explaining it is one from one area to its another area. It is Saranata, moving. in Gangadhar Roy, that commentary, he explained Saranat Rasadina Gamanat Sira Yutuchade. Saranat, what structure? Rasadinam Gamanat. So that means Rasadi structures are passing through the Sira. Okay, as per the Gangadhar Roy. Rasadi structures means Rasadi, the essence of the body. So that means the Dhatu essence also is passing through the Sira. And another explanation is Saranam Mrudugatya Chalana. What is that? Sarana means that is a movement. Okay. So, which type of movement? The type of movement is a Mrudugatya. Mrudu means gentle movement. That means in this reference, we can say that there is a something in our body and it is moving gently. So, if you want to correlate, we can correlate this as veins, venous circulation in the body. Okay, that means it is moving gently, not pulsating. Previously also, Tmanat. Tmanat means pulsating. Okay, and Sarana, Rasadinam Kaminatvat. That means essence of the body is transferring from this also in the Saranat. Sira. Okay, that is Mrudugatya Chalanam. Mrudugatya means there is a gentle movement in the body. Gentle movement, not is a fast movement is not there. So that is a difference between arterial and venous circulation. Arterial circulation is too fast and pulsating. Venous circulation not fast and it is filled. That is gentle circulation. That's why that is how we can differentiate with the arterial bleeding and venous bleeding. Arterial bleeding is usually very fast and venous bleeding very slight, gentle movement. In the Susruta Sharisana Sira Varna Vibhakti Sharira. Sira Varna, chapter number 7, Sira Varna Vibhakti Sharira. Acharya is explaining Sapta Sira Shatani. Sapta Sira Shatani. That means there are 700 Siras are explaining by Acharya. 700 Sira. Sapta Sira Shatani. देखो इसमें how he is explaining we can see that there is a center line एक क्या leaf का venous vein sections है so it is a center line and the small veins are passing laterally. Okay, that means a main vein will be there and the structures are that small area, tributaries, it is going and giving nourishment to the extremities or surroundings. So, same like he is telling that in the paddy field, in a paddy field, how the water is nourishing the paddy field from one by one. Same like veins are nourishing to the body. This Sira is nourishing to the body. Kaise Upasneha, how nourishing like a garden irrigated by a canal. So nourishing by a garden from a canal like called Upasneha and Anugraha. And it is after that nourishing, it is the maintaining the garden, maintaining the structure in the body. So that means Paripalana. Anugraha means Paripalana. So this is a simile explained by Acharya in the Sira. That means Sira Jala Harini Vihi Kedara Ivakulya. Kedara Kulya means how paddy field is getting water and nourishing and it is maintaining its normalcy. Same like in Sira is giving and nourishing the body part and maintaining the body. That is a two words we need to identify, Upasneha and Anugraha. Upasneha is the nourishing and Anugraha is the maintaining or Paripalana. Okay, then other is how this is happening. This movement is happening due to the Prasarana, due to the Agunchana and Prasarana Agunchana. And again, in the detailed explanation, Acharya is telling that अभी देखो ये प्रसार नागुंजरा means if you are in a static, you are not moving. assume that a paralyzed patient or any other person, there is no movement. So what happened? Ultimately, the movement is restricted. The patient is in a paralyzed patient. There is a development of the bed sore. Why bed sore is developing? That means the movement of the system, that is a movement of the vein is not properly. That is why patient is getting